I'm first dipping into the shade Incense with a Luxie 121 brush, and I'm packing the color on into my crease. Once I have the color concentrated where I'd like it, I just buff out the edges to have a soft faded effect with the same brush. Then dipping into the shade Passion with a Luxie 141, I'm concentrating the color closer into my crease and then gently buffing the shade into our previous brown color. Then with LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm using an e.l.f. concealer brush and gently cutting my crease and pulling the concealer down all over my lid. With a small shader brush in the shade Angelic, I'm just gently buffing that across my whole lid all over the concealer. With the same brush in the color Amethyst, I am then swiping the color on to the outer corner but leaving a gap right below the cut crease. Next, with a Sigma E65 brush, I'm just gently putting a smoky liner with a black eyeshadow. This doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to go over it with this glitter right here. For this step, I'm using a Sigma E06 brush and just gently buffing the glitter on top of that smoky line we just made. Then with the shader brush and the pigment Light Year from Makeup Geek Cosmetics, I'm applying that to the brow bone in the inner corner of my eye. Here I'm just applying the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, as well as Bring It On lashes from the Bold Face Makeup, and the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and thank you for watching.